Hi and welcome to this third video of the model, in which we will talk about Dublin Core, a vocabulary for describing bibliographical information. Dublin Core is a vocabulary that aims to describe resources by means of a simple and general metadata, referred as DC terms. A subset of 15 elements, which are called or are referred to as DC element, has been ratified as an standard, an international standard for metadata representation. The purpose of Dublin Core is to be used with other specialized vocabularies to meet particular implementation or requirements for data representation. So DC, Dublin Core, aims to describe bibliographical information, bibliographical resources. So we will have the concept for a bibliographical resource with many properties, such as, for example, its title, and how it relates to, for example, the people that created or contributed to it, or that published that bibliographical resource. And we have things for example, its rights, or what it covers, or the format in which this bibliographical resource is represented. In this example, we see the same information that we introduced in the previous video, in which we are talking about, in this case, a book, a bibliographical resource that has been published by a publishing entity that has some people involved on it using different roles, and that has information such as, for example, an identifier, a date of creation, or its title. Again, as in the case of FOAF or VCAR, we are talking about documents, but in this case, we have a more comprehensive set of properties for describing a more detailed information about bibliographical resources. Again, as in the case of FOAF, Dublin Core is one of the most popular vocabularies, so most likely you will end up either using it or querying it on the Link Data platform.